I forgot to say on the cream cheese, if you guys have been licking the ball. Okay, you can use this as is. This is sour cream. This is a beautiful bunch of sour cream. I should have kept one. Oh, I have more. I can do another one. I'm gonna do another round and just make sour cream because this is so good. This is so good. All right, second verse, same as the first. So I'm going to fill up my jar to about there with cream. Heavy whipping cream. I've got just a store brand, Simply Crafted whipping cream, ultra pasteurized. In this case, ultra pasteurized doesn't matter. It's not going to be like a hard cheese, so it's not going to be affecting it. This is actually just going to be sour cream. So about there. And the reason that you add either half and half or milk to it instead of all cream is because you want like this really soft consistency, and the lower fat content, it's kind of crazy, but if it's too much fat, it thickens up too much and then it becomes kind of solid. Does that make sense? A little bit more. There we go. So up to the line, where'd it go? Where'd my line go? Where the heck did my line go? It was literally here just a second ago. Okay, I just stepped into another dimension. Okay, so the top, if you have Care jars, to the top of the K. That's how we'll do this. And then once again, just shake up your buttermilk and fill it to the top. So if you use all cream, it'll get too hard and it'll be more like cream cheese. Yeah, sort of. Yum, yum, yum. I'm gonna get a coffee filter. I'm only gonna do one. All right, so I have my sour cream now in my Instant Pot, which I've cleaned out and scrubbed the lid really good because I don't want to have any infections occurring. I'm pretty sure that the goat cheese is going to be doing fine. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. So anyway, I've got it on the sous vide. I'm going to cancel this. Wait, hold on. Can you see that? It's backwards. Hold on. You see that now? Okay. So cancel. Sous vide, 24-ish hours. Time. There we go. 24 hours, 80 degrees. Start. Put the lid on and let it run. The next day, and my sour cream is done. I'm going to show you how beautiful this turned out. Look how thick this is. And it's just the right amount of tang. If you wanted, you could definitely let this go a little bit longer. And get a little bit more tangy. Like, more like, my mouth is watering. I just want to eat this. It's not that tangy right now. It could probably go a little bit longer, but this is kind of the way I like it. So, no salt added to this one. Just put a lid on and stick it in the fridge, and you're done.